We're here in Tampa area and we're looking at the Hayden. As you walk into the Hayden, if the garage is on the left, you have the kitchen on the right, okay? So this is the flex area family room. It's called like a formal living area. This actually is on a little lake out here. It's showing with granite versus any kind of quartz. And those cabinets, you have no lanai here. So big lot is going to give you the feel, where you can put in a pool very easily on that corner, Cape Coral. So I wanted just to take a quick video. There's a tub, nice tub, and this bathroom downstairs. And then this would be like a bedroom for Olivia. Got the nice window towards the back. Nice big closet. So there is storage also here underneath the stairs. And this goes out to the garage. So you come in right from the garage. You can put a little ramp in there if you like. And you can roll right into the bedroom if you want to, like that. Bathroom's right here, nice wide door. Okay? So there's one bedroom downstairs, and then all the other bedrooms are upstairs. Okay? Take a nice video here, and carpeting is standard. And we're gonna check out whether there's cement block. This is the master bedroom. The dimension on this thing is, God almighty. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15 feet by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 23. 15 by 23. Master bedroom. Toilet. Closet here. And then it has another closet here. And this big area. She could put a tub in here with a shower head and all that. All good. You can put a shower, you can put a tub in there, take that thing out of there and put a shower head in there. You'll be doing a shower inside your tub if you want to. Not a problem.
This is the master bedroom.
Washer and dryer upstairs. Very smart.
How big is this master bedroom?
23 by 15.
23 by 15.
So you have master and this bedroom, plus this flex area, plus another bedroom there, and another one over there. So there's a total of 5 bedrooms, plus this bath. Right here is the third bathroom. Over and out. Air conditioner up here. We're going to check out the situation on the actual block versus wood. Over and out on the second floor.